a comprehensive guide about registering an out-of-state vehicle. Registering a vehicle that was previously registered in another state can seem like a daunting task. However, the process can be streamlined and stress-free with the right information and guidance. In this blog post, we will walk you through the essential steps involved in registering an out-of-state vehicle, ensuring a smooth transition and compliance with your new state's regulations. Step 1. Research state-specific requirements. Every state has its own set of rules and regulations regarding vehicle registration. Begin by researching the specific requirements of your new state. Visit the official website of the local Department of Motor Vehicles DMV to find relevant information, forms, and instructions. Familiarize yourself with the necessary documents, fees, and any additional requirements. Step 2. Gather required documents to register your out-of-state vehicle. You will typically need the following documents: vehicle title or proof of ownership, current registration certificate, valid identification, such as a driver's license or passport, proof of residency in the new state, e.g., utility bill, lease agreement, vehicle inspection, if required by the new state, proof of insurance meeting the new state's minimum requirements. Tip: make sure to verify if any additional documents are required by your new state. It's always better to have all the necessary paperwork ready in advance to avoid any delay. Step 3. Vehicle inspection. Some states require out-of-state vehicles to undergo a safety or emissions inspection. Contact the local DMV or visit their website to determine if an inspection is necessary and to find authorized inspection stations. Schedule an appointment and have your vehicle inspected to ensure it meets the new state's safety and environmental standards. Step 4. Complete the application forms. Obtain the registration application forms from the DMV website or their local office. Carefully fill out the required information, ensuring accuracy and legibility. Double-check that all sections are completed as required and attach any supporting documentation as instructed. Step 5. Pay taxes and fees. Vehicle registration typically involves various fees and taxes. Common charges include registration fees, title transfer fees, sales tax, and potentially other local or county-specific taxes. Be prepared to pay these fees during the registration process. Payment methods accepted may include cash, credit, debit cards, or checks. Check with the DMV beforehand to ensure you bring the correct forms of payment. Step 6. Submit your application. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, completed the application form, and paid the required fees, it's time to submit your registration application. Visit the local DMV office in person or check if online registration is available in your state. Follow the provided instructions to submit your application and provide any additional information requested. Tip: want to skip the lines at the DMV? Visit MHZ Auto located at 7784 West 11th Street, Tracy, California 95304 to expedite the process and to get your vehicle registered in no time. Step 7. Receive new plates and registration. After submitting your application, you will receive your new license plates and registration documents, depending on the state. This may be given to you immediately at the DMV office or mailed to your registered address. Keep these documents in a safe place, as they serve as proof of your vehicle's legal registration. MHZ Auto's DMV registration services offer a reliable and efficient solution for individuals seeking to register an out-of-state vehicle. Their expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction makes them a trusted partner in ensuring a smooth and successful registration process. With MHZ Auto's assistance, customers can confidently navigate the intricacies of registering an out-of-state vehicle and enjoy a hassle-free experience by relying on MHZ Auto's DMV registration services. Customers can save time and reduce the stress associated with navigating the complexities of registering an out-of-state vehicle. The convenience of having professionals handle the paperwork, application submission, and fee payment allows customers to focus on other important aspects of their relocation or vehicle transition. Contact MHZ Auto for your DMV needs. Visit our website at www.mhzautotracy.com or visit our shop at 7784 West 11th Street, Tracy, California 95304. Like, follow, and subscribe.